Hello, I'm Alok. So today in this video, I will discuss about image element. Whenever you want to display the image in the websites, there are two options. One first option is you with the help of the image tag, img tag, you can display the image. Another option is with the help of the CSS, you can display the image. So this is again the I will discuss today only for the img elements only. Okay. So what is the syntax? Angle bracket img small, then src. Src means source of the image. So this src is again the one of the attributes of the img tag. So src is again one of the attributes of the img tag. So src again source of the image. Then you can write the image name. Any kind of the image you can display, either jpg, either png, gif, bmp, tic, again any image you can display here. So this image name you can write. Suppose that your HTML file and the image file both are available inside the same folder. So in that case only you can write the image name, whatever the image type you have. I suppose I have a JPG image. Okay, but suppose that image is outside of the folder. So in that case you can put dot and slash. That means image is the outside of your folder. Outside of the folder, again inside the one folder image is there, then again you can write like this one. So this is proper path is important, otherwise image will not display in your web page. Suppose that if you have an image in the external resource, means the any other websites, so in that case you can put again the http:// whatever again the image resource is there, that URL complete we have to write under the src. So one attribute is the src is important, that is mandatory. Apart from that, one optional is there the height. That means if you want to adjust the dimension of the image, then height and the width, there are the two attributes you can adjust. So you can give the pixel value here, height, and another is the width. So I am giving here some pixel value here. Okay, so this is the another two more attributes of the image tag, and then after that again the slash. So one more thing is the important here, image closing tag is not there. Closing tag including here only slash and this ones. Got it? Another point is there, the one important question for the B2, they will ask explain the any three attributes of the image elements. So first you can write the src source, second one is the height, third one is the width. Apart from these three, two more is again popular. One is called the alt. Okay, another is again called title. So alt is nothing, just like alternative of the image. If image is not coming, then with the help of the alt only we can display the contents. Title is again the title of the image only. So these two again, whenever I'll show the program, then they will get the better idea. So you got the 5 attributes, one src, another is the height, another is width, then alt, and then title. Got it? But alt and the title both again I will show the demo only. So coming back to your one small program, I'll show you. That is very simple. Start notepad. So in this one again, this is the HTML5. So this is the basic part only I can write here, and title I can give here image display. Okay, after the head only we can start the body, and then you can come to the h1, just heading of the image. Anything you can write, not a problem. So align center, and then you can just write any statement, display image demo, and then you can close h1. Now you use the img tag, img src equal to, then I have to see where is my image. So what I did in, I created the one folder in the test, and there only I kept the image. So I'll display this image only, blue color image. So what is the name? Om image 1, and this is the jpg image. This is the jpg image. You can see here, I'll put the mouse, then I'm getting the jpg image now. So this is the jpg image. So Om image 1, that is the same place only. So src om imag1 dot jpg. Got it? And then again I'm not writing now the another two attributes, only this much only I'll put, and then we'll see what is happening. slash body, closing of the body tag, then closing of the HTML tag. Clear? Now I'll save in this file inside the same folder only. Then folder name is the test only. So here only I'll save display image .html. Same practice. Double quote I'll put for the file name because notepad editor. Save. If coming here, display image file already created, and we'll see the output. Yes. See output how it is coming. It is coming very big now. Okay, you see here dimension and this one very big, so that we can adjust with the help of the another two attributes. So I'll put for width, anything you can write first, either the width and the height, not a problem. Equal to, I can put here 400 px, then height equal to 300 px, and save. And that I'll make little centered only image. So centered is again one of the element that I already discussed in the last class. So slash center you can make like this. So image will come again the center just below of the your heading only. So refresh the page. Yes, coming. Getting my points? So now you see, so this two dimension is clear. Now another two already, one is the attributes width clear and height clear. Now another I told alt. Alt is the again the alternative solution of the image. Suppose that image is not loading, some problem is that image loading, taking too much time. So before that one we can display the alternative statement description of the image. So you can write alt equal to coming my image, loading my image, coming image. Loading image, I'll put like this message, loading image. Okay, then Control S. Now you see here nothing will come. What I told, whenever image is not coming, then only that message will come. Otherwise, whenever suppose that sometime the image loading due to the net connection is taking too much time na, so that time first that message will come. Okay, so what I will do in this program to show your demo, this image name I am making the wrong. Just I remove the image name wrong. Now you see, now image will not come. Now you see, getting message na alt, loading image. Clear? So this is the clear. Now another things. Along with this one, again I am writing the title. Title equal to, we can put here test image. This is the title. Okay, this will come the one corner of the image. Now I'm writing the image name correct only. Control S, refresh. Now image is coming, and see here title. Here the title should come, but title is not coming. Why it is not coming? So either the alt will work, otherwise title will work. Both if you are writing, that will not work. So I will remove this part. Control S, refresh. Now you'll see coming the test image. Getting my point? So this is the title will come along with the image, but the alt is, if the image is not there, then only the description of the image is coming. Okay, one more again the difference is there. If the title, if you are writing and image name is the wrong, then you see image name wrong now. So box is coming, but image is not coming. So that is not looking good. But whenever you are writing the alt, then you see image is not coming also, but the box is not there. So that will be looking the more professional. Okay. So that depends upon your wish, how you want to use. Getting my point, sir? So hope in this video I already discussed regarding the IMG elements. If anybody have any doubt, they can put the comments in the comment sections. I will see that comments and I'll give the reply. Okay. So thanks for your patience. Thank you.